Hi guys, this is Astropark, and today I'm going to explain you how to use Binance Futures. This is the testnet where you can trade freely with a demo account. So without any worry, you can learn how to trade on Binance Futures. Okay, here on the top you have just some mm, let's say some wish list. So your preferred markets, you can change the market here. Okay, the marginated coin here. So you can trade, for example, here Ethereum using Ethereum directly, while here you are trading using USDT. Okay, you can change here the kind of trading, so isolated or cross. Just be sure that if you are cross trading, you are using your wallet, okay, your wall account. So just in case if you get liquidated, you get liquidated totally, not only for what you used, for what you invested. Okay. In isolated, in fact, you open a position and only the margin used in that position can be liquidated. Okay, not the whole account. This is something important. You can change the leverage. The leverage changes basically on the market. You have 125, for example, on Bitcoin at most. I don't suggest to use a high leverage. For me, in my opinion, 20 is already enough for sure. Okay, so basically here you can change the time frame just to have a different look in the chart. But let's go deeply on how you can create a long position, so a buy position, or a short position, so a sell position. As you can see here, you have the two terms clearly stated here. So for example, let's say I want to buy one Bitcoin. Let's check the price. For example, I want to buy at 32,777. Okay, I want to be filled fast, so I will put 80. Okay, so I can see here the open order, but it was already filled. So I can see here my sides. So this is my current position. This is what I'm losing right now. This is the margin ratio I'm using. So currently it's locked like 0.15% of my account, really a few. Okay, and my liquidation, where is my liquidation? At zero. I will never be liquidated until I use this kind of position size. Okay, because basically if Bitcoin goes to zero, I will lose one Bitcoin in value in USDT, so 33,000 USDT, but I have 85, so I will never be liquidated. Okay. But if I try to buy some more, let's say another 4 BTC at a different price, you see now it's a buy order here in the open orders. Okay, of course I can cancel it because probably it will never be filled. But 5 bitcoins, of course, are much more than my balance. So at this time, if this would be filled, I'm really using leverage, okay, because I'm using more than my account, okay, because 5 Bitcoin are more than 150k, okay, but I have only 85k. Okay, so just for example, you will see here that if I will buy 5 Bitcoin, okay, now I see I have a liquidation price. Okay, at this price, I will be totally liquidated. My balance will go to zero. Okay, but this is just a dim account, so No worries. Okay, so here we check how we can set up a buy order, a limit buy order, simple order to buy something at a specific price. But let's say now I think that price will go lower, so I want to sell. So let's put again another price. You can click here also to have here direct to the price. I want to sell 3 of my Bitcoin. I will tap sell, and guess what? Another open orders. You can clearly say it's a limit order, sell price, here the price, here the amount, how much has been filled, nothing. Okay, so let's wait that it will be filled. But let's say, oh, I'm hurry. I want that it will filled really now. So what should I do? I can go with market orders. Okay, this was filled, and now my position is 3 Bitcoin. Okay. Let's see. I'm on a rush, so I go with the market orders. I want to sell 1 Bitcoin. First buy order will be filled with my sell. Okay, so I sell here. The first available will be filled. So if I go in my trade history, which price was applied, the first that was available at that moment. Okay, this price. The same for buy. If I want to market buy 1 Bitcoin, it's the first sell price available at the moment in which I tap on buy that it will be used to be filled. Okay, so I market buy 1 Bitcoin, and so now I should see here. Let's wait. Seems it was not triggered. Oh, here it is. It was triggered, filled, but there is no update. So let's refresh the page. Let's see what happens. Okay, I have 3 Bitcoin. Oh, no, it's right. Okay, 3 Bitcoin. It was used at the first price. Okay, and every time you can see here the realized profit or loss. In this case, there we are talking about 2 losses. Okay, but let's say now for me it's pretty clear. I'm okay with this trade. I want to set up a stop loss and I'll take profit. You can do here. You can do it from here. Okay, so take profit. I suggest the last price. Last price is the exchange price. Okay, market price instead is the market price. So the price that you can see here, which is the reference price used by Binance. Okay, it's not the real price of this exchange, of the Binance Future exchange. It's a mix of other exchanges price like Coinbase, Bitstamp, Kraken, and so on. I don't know exactly which ones they are, but you got the point. It's just like an average price outside Binance. Okay. Okay. Then I want to set up take profit. So the last price. I want take profit 33k. For me, it's okay. And just tell you which would be your estimate profit. And but also set up a stop loss. Let's say 32,006. Okay, so if the price, if the exchange will trade at this price, then a stop market order will be executed. Also in this case, okay, take profit market order. So when this price is touched, a market order will close my position. The same here. If this price will be touched, a market order will be executed and my position will be closed. Okay, so I confirm, and that's it. But you can do the same thing in another way. Okay, you can close your position with a limit price. Here it's the size. For example, I want to close 50% of this position at this price. Okay, and I click on limit. So what will happen? You can see here there will be a sell limit, but reduce only. So the same kind, the reduce only that were applied when I defined a take profit and a stop loss for my position directly on my position. In this case, the limit here, it's a reduce only trade. So this was applied. Okay. Okay, so my position was closed because the market dumped. The stop loss was triggered. And that's it. There are no anymore any position. And I need another one now. So let's market remove the reduce only, so no, otherwise it will not work. So let's market open a new position. Let's go short. Okay. So okay. I want to set up a stop market price. So I can do the same here. For example, if the price goes above 32,700, I will close my position. So reduce only to buy long. Okay. So in this case, it's like I did something here. Okay, it's the same if I would do over there. So reduce only position. So this kind of order can only reduce my current position. It can't be used to open a new position. So it will remove 2 Bitcoin from my position. So in this case, we'll close my position. I can set up also take profit as a simple limit order. So reduce only, I want to close my position, for example here at this. So in this case I have a simple limit condition where I will take profit exactly as I would do here. Okay, while the first, for the stop loss that I set, it's like I would have set the same if I would set it here. So for example, let's put here a stop loss. My entry is this, a very tight stop loss. Okay, so you can see the orders are exactly the same, the first and the third. Okay, so this is basically better because check the has a different condition, just close condition, close position as amount, which is better of course, but this works the same. Okay, great. You can cancel directly from here all or just one of this. Let's remove this. It is very too much tight. Okay. Okay. The same you can do for the other side. I mean, okay, I'm happy. For example, I can market close my position here, and so my position is closed on market, and all the orders I set up from here I'll get automatically removed. Okay. Okay, this is a reduce only. I set this order from here, do you remember? So it was not automatically cancelled by the system once the position was closed. But it's not really a problem because it's a reduce only. So if the price goes at this price, 32,700, nothing will really happen because it's only a reduce only. So the position it will not be open any new position, but for your safe it's always good to just cancel it because it can influence your future positions. So we check the limit orders, the market orders. These are just a position take profit, stop loss, you can already set up a take profit and stop loss for your position. Let's say I want to buy 1 Bitcoin at market with the take profit 32,500. Sorry, 32,500. Stop loss 32. Okay. So automatically I have the position and the other 2 orders. So the stop market for stop loss and take profit market for stop loss. Quite nice feature. Sorry guys. Again, these are other options, quite straightforward in my experience, but I will explain also to you guys. So the stop limit, what this stop limit does, you have a stop price, so which is the triggering condition price. If it's this price is touched, let's say 32,200 is touched. Let's say I want to open a short position. If this price is touched, then a sell order of 1 Bitcoin will be placed as a limit order at the price I write here. I will repeat. So if this price, let's say again 32,200 is touched, okay, a limit sell order of 1 BTC will be set at this price. So let's say I think that the price will go down, then it will bounce back up. So I set a sell order $87 upper, and I want to open a sell position. Oh, let's cancel all the orders. Let's close also this, and let's do it again. So 1. Okay. So if the price goes below, or at least touches this price, a sell limit order will appear. It's not happening. Maybe it will happen soon. Stop limit order, it seemed was activated. So currently I should have an open order, but it will not be executed because price is falling like crazy right now. Besides, we are in the testnet. You have to wait a bit, or we can just do something really different. Let's do something like this, just to be sure. Let's cancel this. $75. Market is too fast. Okay, if this price touched, a sell order at this price will be executed. So now it's not going to be touched, right? Let's create another one. Oh well, but I guess you got the point. So the order is will be created. Then we need the market to move towards our price, okay, and fill it in order to have an open position. And you manage the position exactly as you do as you would do as in the previous examples. Okay. Okay. This is stop limit. Stop market. We already saw stop market. The trailing stop. Don't really use it, but you may like it. So let's cancel all the open orders. Let's open a position. One short one Bitcoin, and let's say I want an activation price, size. The size here, callback rate, I really never use it, so since a specific price I want to take trailing stops. So let's see how does it work. Let's see it live. Not sure, it should be a sell order actually, because I'm in a sell position, so I should click like buy. I really can't say how it works. Never use it the first time I see it. They always had new features. This is why I like Binance. For example, here for the triggering price, you could have changed it here between last and price, so the exchange price and market price. Oh, the side is 1%, 100%, but this seems to be an order like to create a new position or reduce, of course. In case you set reduce, it will take us 100% your position. So 32. Why it's sell short? I mean, it's a trailing stop. I'm in a sell position. It should just close it, not increment it. Why sell? I really don't get it. Anyway, I will let you know, guys. I will make for sure another video. I hope I was pretty clear here how you can manage your orders. Here you can see your current balance and your current profit or loss. Here you can see if your margin usage is okay or not. Just be sure that if it is a higher number, you can really be hurt, so you can be liquidated. Oh, let's vote. Maybe it's starting. Okay. So call back 1%. So I guess that this activation price, every time the price moves by 1% up, the activation price will just go up. So it's like a moving stop loss. Should be like this by definition of trailing stop. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day. This is Astropark again. You can find me on Telegram. My nickname is Astropark. Also on TradingView and on Twitter as Astropark_BTC. See you guys. Bye.